Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest tech gadgets to help you make informed decisions. Today, we're looking at the Logitech Signature AI Edition M750 wireless mouse. It's not just a mouse, it promises to integrate artificial intelligence seamlessly into your workflow. Let's find out if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, the M750 sports a minimalist aesthetic, perfect for the office environment. It features a sleek, black finish with a subtle Logi branding and a distinctive teal button that stands out against the monochrome design. Ergonomically speaking, it's designed for right-handed users with a symmetrical shape and a rubber grip for added comfort. However, it might not be the best fit for those with larger hands due to its compact size. What sets this mouse apart are its AI capabilities. It comes equipped with 3 dedicated AI buttons. One button launches the Logi AI Prompt Builder, allowing you to automate tasks like drafting emails or summarizing documents with ease. There are also buttons for accessing ChatGPT for quick assistance and a dictation tool for hands-free typing. These features are managed through Logi Options Plus, which lets you customize the mouse to suit your specific workflow needs. In terms of performance, the M750 impresses with Logitech's Silent Touch technology, ensuring quiet clicks that won't disturb your colleagues. The clickable scroll wheel offers 2 modes: a regular mode and an infinite scrolling mode, although the latter isn't as effective as we'd hoped. It operates via Bluetooth or a 2.4 GHz dongle, providing flexibility in connectivity, and boasts onboard dongle storage for convenience. To wrap it up, the Logitech Signature AI Edition M750 is a solid choice. For those looking to integrate AI into their daily workflow without compromising on design and functionality. Its dedicated AI buttons streamline tasks, though it's not without its minor drawbacks. That's all for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, this is Product Critique, signing off.